Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight on Wall Street, markets closed modestly higher. The Dow gained 0.3%, the S&P 500 rose 0.4%, and the Nasdaq advanced 0.6%. Asia Pacific markets, however, opened sharply lower today. South Korea's KOSPI led the regional losses, plunging more than 5%, while the KOSDAQ fell nearly 2%. Japan's Nikkei declined 2.4%, the TOPIX slipped 0.9%, and Australia's ASX 200 was largely flat in early trade. Nifty formed a doji candlestick, reflecting heightened volatility and indecision as the index remained trapped within last Wednesday's strong bearish candle for the fifth straight session. This suggests that traders are still waiting for a fresh trigger before taking aggressive positions. For today's session, 24,220 will be the immediate hurdle, followed by the key resistance at 24,300. On the downside, 24,000 remains the first line of support, with 23,900 acting as the next important level. From a positional perspective, a decisive breakout above 24,500 is needed for the bulls to regain control and revive the broader uptrend. Meanwhile, the 23,800 to 23,645 zone continues to be a strong demand area and is expected to provide support on any corrective move. The market absorbed the impact of escalating geopolitical tensions, while a rebound in Brent crude to around $85 per barrel helped the Nifty recover from intraday lows and hold above the crucial 24,000 mark. The rupee ended flat at 96.25 against the US dollar. FI extended their selling streak with an outflow of 736 crore rupees, while DI remained net buyers. In the derivatives market, Nifty and Bank Nifty futures gained 43 and 299 points respectively, with lower open interest indicating short covering. Nifty futures traded at an 11-point discount, while Bank Nifty futures premium improved marginally from 76 to 80 points. In the options market, fresh call writing and put hedging dragged the Nifty PCR down from 1.02 to 0.95, while the Bank Nifty PCR eased to 0.91. India VIX declined 3.5% to 13.27. The option chain witnessed fresh call writing at 24,200 and put additions at 24,000. The FII long-short ratio slipped to a monthly low of 0.09, with FIs heavily writing index calls and reducing stock futures. Meanwhile, proprietary traders aggressively bought index calls, while retail investors continued aggressively shorting index puts. For today, 23,800 remains the key support, while 24,300 is the immediate resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.